I'm going to show you how to photo reply to YouTube comments, the workaround. So here's our strategy. Since YouTube doesn't have a native photo reply button, we use a specialized video upload method to make an image appear in the comment thread. So step one is to save the target comment. You're just going to head over to your YouTube app, and then from here, you're going to find a video that you want to comment on. From here, you're going to find the comment that you want to reply to. So for this one, I'm going to say, I'm going to reply to this. Now, from there, you're just going to tap on this camera icon right here from the bottom of the page. And then from there, you are going to upload a video of your choice, or you can do an image-based clip that you want to serve as your photo reply. Optionally, you can also add text overlays to the video to further explain your reply. So we're just going to record a very short video right here. And then, like I said, you can add comments to this one. Now, after that, you're going to click on the check mark right here. And then once you click on X, you're going to click on edit thumbnail at the top left. You can see this pencil icon. Now, after that, you're just going to set the thumbnail here. And if you're using a PC for this, it's actually a lot easier because you have the control to set your thumbnail to however you want. Like, you can upload your own. But for shorts, especially this one, you don't really have the freedom to do that. But you can add in the image that you want to serve as your photo reply right here in the video itself. So after you set the thumbnail, you're just going to click on the check mark right here and make sure that add in the image that you want people to see in the comments, as this will be displayed. After that, you're going to set the title and the privacy. So you're going to use the title field to write your actual reply text. Then you're going to set the video visibility to unlisted so that it doesn't clutter your main channel field. Now, step 7 is to finalize. You're going to tap on upload short right here, wait for it to finish, and then restart your YouTube app to see the results in the comment section. And that's it. That is how you can photo reply to YouTube comments on YouTube. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.